Hey everyone, I'm so excited you're here today. If you've been searching for ways to achieve that radiant, healthy glow, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 6 amazing superfoods that can do wonders for your skin. These nutrient-packed foods not only enhance your beauty from the inside out, but also support overall health. So, let's unlock your glow together. Superfood number 1, avocado. Let's start with one of my favorites. Avocado. This creamy fruit is loaded with healthy fats which are essential for maintaining skin elasticity and hydration. Avocados are rich in vitamins E and C, both powerful antioxidants that help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Adding avocado to your diet can also reduce inflammation and promote healing. Whether you slice it on toast, toss it in salads, or blend it into smoothies, this superfood is a delicious way to nourish your skin. Plus, did you know you can use avocado in DIY face masks for an extra boost? Just mash it up with a little honey for a hydrating treatment. Superfood number 2, berries. Next up are berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. These tiny fruits pack a big punch when it comes to antioxidants. Berries are rich in vitamins A and C, which play a crucial role in collagen production, helping to keep your skin firm and youthful. The antioxidants in berries also help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which can lead to premature aging. So grab a handful for a snack or add them to your breakfast for a delicious way to boost your skin health. And if you're feeling adventurous, try making a berry smoothie bowl topped with nuts for a beautiful breakfast that's as good for your skin as it is for your taste buds. Superfood number 3, spinach. Now let's talk about leafy greens, and spinach is at the top of the list. This nutrient powerhouse is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and magnesium. These nutrients work together to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants that help protect your skin from UV damage and pollution. Incorporate spinach into salads, smoothies, or even omelets for a boost in your skincare routine. If you're not a fan of its taste, try adding it to soups where the flavors blend beautifully. Superfood number 4, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, like almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, are fantastic for your skin. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and vitamins that help maintain skin hydration and elasticity. Almonds, in particular, are a great source of vitamin E, which protects your skin from oxidative stress. You can snack on them, toss them in salads, or blend them into smoothies. These little powerhouses are not only great for your skin, but also provide sustained energy throughout the day. And for a fun twist, try making your own nut butter to spread on whole grain toast for an extra nutritious snack. Superfood number 5, sweet potatoes. Next up, we have sweet potatoes. These vibrant tubers are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for skin cell turnover and can help keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Sweet potatoes also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin. Enjoy them roasted, mashed, or even in soups for a delicious skin-friendly meal. And if you're looking for a healthy dessert, try sweet potato brownies. Yes, they're a thing, and they're delicious. Superfood number 6, green tea. Last but not least, let's talk about green tea. This beverage is loaded with antioxidants known as catechins, which can help protect your skin from sun damage and improve elasticity. Drinking green tea regularly can also reduce inflammation and help with skin conditions like acne. Enjoy a warm cup in the morning or iced in the afternoon for a refreshing, skin-boosting drink. You can even use cooled green tea as a toner for your skin. Just soak a cotton pad and gently wipe your face for a soothing treat. So there you have it, 6 superfoods that can help you unlock your skin's natural glow. From avocados to green tea, incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can make a significant difference in your skin health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and beauty tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite superfood for healthy skin? Share in the comments below. And if you try any of these superfoods, let me know how they work for you. Until next time, stay healthy, radiant, and beautiful.